YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moves back with another video. You guys seen the title. It is true, guys. I'm actually selling the Audi R8 Performance. Very sad day, to be real with you guys. Like, this car right here, I can honestly say has been my favorite car I've ever owned. Simply for the fact that it's just such a lot of fun to drive, guys. This car is amazing. It looks good. It sounds good. It's reliable. It performs well. So if you're hearing like all of these things, you're probably wondering like, yo, why is this guy selling this car, right? This car is so nice and I clearly will miss it. Why would I sell it? Guys, since the day I basically bought this car, I would constantly get messaged every day by people asking to buy my car. There's like so many people that asked me to buy the car, and at the time I was like, okay, I'm not really ready to sell because I didn't even really get to have my fun with the car and build it. And if you guys know me, you guys know I like building cars, right? That's my thing. Like, to me, the real fun is in building a car up, putting the wheels on it from Motivo Forged, of course. Exhaust, lowering it, putting the lip kit on it, all types of stuff. So that's to me, like, that to me is what real fun is, right? Now, I had a guy message me for a set of, he was asking if like we could do a set of wheels for his Ferrari SF90 that he was gonna buy. He was in the market shopping around. He was looking at a bunch of cars, right? And this guy already kind of knew, so he was actually trying to buy this exact car. He was trying to buy this Audi R8 Performance from Midwestern Auto Group, but guys, I beat him to it, right? This guy seen the car listed for sale. It was listed for literally like a day. This thing is so clean too. It was listed for a single day, guys, and I was able to basically get the car. I secured the car as soon as I saw it listed because I knew it wouldn't last. Honestly, the spec on it is phenomenal, guys. It's called a Ascari Blue. It's a 2022 Audi R8, which in itself is kind of I'd say rare, comparatively speaking, because all the ones you see are usually 2017 to 2020-ish. Now this one's a 2022. It's all-wheel drive, which has a premium on the market. It's a performance model, which is the one that gets the horsepower bumps tuned differently. It's just a bit more fun, and the spec on it is incredible. No accidents, one owner car. I'm the second owner technically now, but just a very well taken care of example of what an R8 is supposed to be like. Now this guy seen the car listed. I got it before him. He was telling me him and his buddies were still talking about it till this day, about how that R8 got picked up so quick and how it was a beautiful spec at a nice price and everything. So he really did miss the car, and he hit me up asking to buy it. And I was like, you know what, I was kind of already starting to look at other cars on the market. Last pull. One last pull, guys. So back to what I was saying, I was already kind of starting to look at other cars on the market, and I was like, okay, I kind of know myself well enough to know if I start looking at other cars, I'm gonna start taking action over time. So I was like, okay, give me this number right here and we can make something happen, right? And we ended up making something happen. So this guy came in today. He drove 7 hours. Guys, right now I'm heading towards the bank to finalize everything with him. And I'll probably bring you guys along the way. If he doesn't really want to be on video, I'll do my part and sharing the experience with you guys. But I think he'd probably be cool with being on YouTube, honestly. So, alright guys, when I was looking to buy the Audi R8, he was also looking to buy this car, and
it out from under me, man.
I was quick with it, bro. I knew this one would not last, bro. This color is insane. And so it's funny, he ended up finding my did you see my TikTok or Instagram first?
I I saw your Instagram first, but I think I messaged you on TikTok.
Yeah, I think so. But yeah, he's seen my page. He saw the car. It's hard to not mistake this car. Like this car, you know, it's the Audi R8. It's not a lot of colors. The sky blue one from Mag. It's very obvious. So he immediately knew that was the car he was looking to buy. And he messaged me. He's like, "Did you get this thing from Mag?" I'm like, "Yeah, bro, I bought it from Mag." He was like, "I was about to buy it." I was like, "Man, thank God I acted on this thing because."
I was trying to put the deposit down.
Yeah.
I was talking to the sales rep. He was like, "I got you."
And it fell through. I think the sales rep was actually telling me about that. He was like, I was speaking to that guy about it, yeah. And then he was like, there were like 30 people or 30 leads on it. I was like, bro, that's crazy.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah. Bro, you're gonna love this thing. I swear to God, I was telling my friends like the past weekend, I'm like, if this guy changes his mind, I would not be mad one bit.
No, I'm not changing my mind.
I was like, bro, I would not be mad one bit if he changed his mind. You could make a right, actually. It'll be a better stretch of road for you to enjoy the car here. So, what? Once you get out here, you can hit it too. This is all-wheel drive goes, bro. There's a guy crossing. This lane will end in a bit, but you can hop right in front of that dude.
Jesus.
Oh my God. And that's the stock factory like tune too, bro.
Yeah, you don't have a tune on it, right?
Yeah, this is like the perfect amount of burble and everything. So what else you got, bro? You got a GT3 RS, right?
Yeah, GT3 RS. We got a couple of M cars.
Nice. I didn't even know you had some M's.
Huh?
I didn't know you had M cars too.
Oh yeah, I've had like 20 M cars.
Golly. Bro, you look young too.
Yeah, I'm 29.
Damn, you had a lot of cars, bro. I gotta catch up. I only had like, what, 3
This
M's?
will be my 39th car.
God. How do you, oh, okay, damn, that's outrageous, bro. The taxes would have been killing me, bro. Yeah, going for you. Man, give it a little rip right here, bro. Bro, this thing puts a smile on my face every time, bro. I'll make a right here. I'm gonna give you a loop around here. I grew up out here, bro.
Oh really?
Yeah, but then I moved to the other side of town, actually. So I'm pretty familiar with the area. He don't mind waiting like 5-10 minutes. He'll be all right. Yeah. Give us some beans right here. The sound is insane, bro.
My neighbors are gonna hate me. The RS is already loud.
The Cold Star on this thing is super loud, bro. There's a little curvy portion right there. It don't handle like the 3RS, but it does what it does. Yeah, the neighbors will not be happy about this, I'll tell you that much.
I cannot get a smile on my face.
I'm telling you, bro, for the money it's hard to beat, bro. I started looking at other cars too, but bro, everything I'm seeing, I'm like, damn, for the jump in price, it's not even like that much of an upgrade in my eyes. So that's why I was like, man, I would not be disappointed if you changed your mind. Oh my God, bro. This is gonna be a good daily for you.
Oh, man. Yeah.
This is gonna be a hell of a daily, bro. See, I was feeling guilty.
Wait, I should take a right.
You go straight. Yeah, you got it. You got it. careful here. And that little train track area, yeah, you gotta be careful. It's a little steep, so you don't want to go flying. Bro, this is gonna be missed.
How long did you have it? Since the end of
November.
Right?
Like 7-8 months, something like that. I don't keep cars that long though.
Yeah.
Do you keep yourself long?
Not
Yeah.
too long.
Yeah.
I like to more, you know, as we're younger, I like to experience different cars.
100%.
I love my Porsches, but
Yeah.
I've had the 991.2 GT3. That was a 6-speed.
Nice.
992 GT3, paint the sample, signal yellow.
Yeah.
And then I got rid of that, and then in the meantime,
Yeah.
I bought the 720.
I didn't know you had a 720 actually. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a 720, and then I got my allocation for the 3RS, and then I got out of the GT3, got the 720 in the meantime.
Yeah.
Had some fun with that. Luckily, no problems whatsoever.
Nice. Thank God. I was just gonna ask. Yeah.
I had 0 problems, which is super rare.
Yeah.
And what's it called?
You got out of that with no problems.
Yeah, I got out of that, no problems. Went to the 3RS. I actually did European delivery of my 3RS.
Nice.
I spec'd it out November 2023, and then picked it up October 2024 in Germany.
Nice.
Is it
Nice.
right here?
Yeah, you make it right. My fault. I'm over here acting like you know the area. What's up with this guy? Oh, he's making it right. Alright guys, we just did a bunch of paperwork, and now we are waiting to hear back from one of the departments at the bank. It's Ohio. They're basically verifying the funds before they go ahead and give the guy a lien release letter. But one last view of her before she goes, man. It's kind of sad, to be honest. I love this car right here. Let me give you guys a little quick breakdown of everything we've done, right? We did the black roof on the R8. We put the side skirts on it. Of course, the Motivo forged wheels. If you guys want to set up Motivo forged wheels, check us out, www.motivoforged.com. That is my wheel company. Let me know you're coming from the YouTube channel, and I'll give you guys a discount. Check the fitment out though. Perfect. Literally is flush, right? No rubbing, no issues. Check us out though. Then we got the front lip on the car. We also blacked out the reflectors and put a nice titanium exhaust on the car. That's probably my second favorite mod after the wheels. The titanium exhaust completely changes the driving dynamic of this car. I love how this car drives. So then let's check out the inside. Very simple mods, honestly. We did a custom steering wheel from Habibi's Carbon with the magnetic paddles, as you can see right there. Literally all you got to do to the car, and it's perfect. But this car was super optioned out, bro. Like, everything was done on the car. So you can see right here, we got the carbon fiber engine bay. We have the full carbon fiber exterior package, and that includes these side, whatever they're called, sills. I don't know whatever this is, the top piece and the bottom piece. Let me know in the comments section down below the proper name for it. Also got the mirror caps done, and some of the bottom trim too. Like here, you can see it right there. It's all in carbon, so I mean, this car was super well optioned. All right, guys, he's the new owner now. We're blurring him out of the video, but we finished up the paperwork. Give us a cold start, man. I'd be honored if you can let me hear this thing on time. Guys, the Audi R8 is officially sold. God damn. I'm scared he's gonna rev it. This thing is loud. But guys, this is his new car. Major congrats to him. And don't be disappointed. We have other stuff cooking up, guys. It's got the rev limiter on it still because it's not tuned. Yeah, but congrats, bro. you gotta post content on it, man.
Absolutely.
Don't hide it, bro. So
This is gonna be driven
and enjoyed as it should be. So yeah, he's gonna go ahead and load it up now into his trailer. I'm gonna give him some of the stock parts as well, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, we got the Audi R8 up on the trailer. He was gonna get a better one that was lowered, but unfortunately he was unable to do so. But man, that was nerve-wracking. We got it up on this ramp, backed the car out, got it on the back of the trailer. Now he's gonna tie it down and everything. That was nerve-wracking, bro. And go from there, bro. It's the first time I've seen it loaded up like this. Kind of heartbreaking, man. This car is special to me, bro. It's the first exotic I had. Perfect spec car. Sad day to see her go. No. She's gone. Why does this always happen to me? Man. Bro, I'm gonna miss this car so much. This one I'm gonna miss, guys. I'm not gonna lie, the G82. I missed it for like a solid 24 hours. Then I bought this car. This one though, I'm actually gonna miss this car a lot, bro. This car was special. And she looks even better just getting loaded on, bro. I feel like when you look at something hella, you get used to it. But the moment it's like about to leave you, then you're like, damn, bro. I really didn't appreciate what I had all the way until now. I mean, obviously I appreciated having the car, but you get what I mean. It's not the same like now. One last look at this V10 in the back before she leaves, bro. Man. All right, guys. There she goes. Last time I'll probably see the Audi R8. Man, that's crazy. And look at how wide she is, guys. This car is about as wide as that pickup truck. That's absolutely insane for a car the size of an R8. It looks so small, but yet like so wide and aggressive, bro. That's crazy, bro. Man. Bro, I'm heartbroken, low key. I can't even lie to you guys. All right, guys, there she goes. Wow, bro, I'm gonna miss this car so much. Sad day. Very sad day.